And in table tennis, host Philippines could only produce a solitary bronze medal, courtesy of the most senior member of the Philippine national table tennis team, 48-year-old Richard Gonzalez, in the men's singles.
Winning a total of 386 medals, including 149 gold, the 30th SEA Games Overall Championship Award is presented to the Philippines. Accepting on the team's behalf, William Ramirez, Philippine Sports Commission Chairman, and Chef de Mission for Team Philippines and Executive Secretary, Salvador C. Medialdea.
It was a windfall for the Philippines. For the first time, I was really proud. Alam mo, Pinoy, sabihin, supportahan mo lang talaga. Totoo yan. I just take this opportunity to congratulate everyone who played an integral part in its success. This outcome serves as a testament for the great things we can achieve when we work together. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang atletang Pilipino!
The 11-day 30th Southeast Asian Games is one for the books in Philippine sports, not only because of the heroics of the more than 1,000 Pinoy athletes who enjoyed and excelled performing in newly built modern sports infrastructures they now own for a lifelong use, but also because of the immeasurable support, awareness, and respect of the 100 million Filipinos for the genuine value and vital role of sports in their very lives. For the management and staff of Radyo Pilipinas DOS and the whole of the Philippine Broadcasting Service, BBS, this is Rick Yap Santos. Happy New Year to you all.
Nanatiling kontento ang 82% ng mga Pilipino sa ginagawang anti-drug campaign ng Duterte administration ayon sa SWS survey. Pakinggan natin ang pahayag ni Presidential Spokesperson Salvador Panelo.
The survey shows 82% and it has been unchanged since 2 years ago, I think. Anong ibig sabihin nun? These are the people who know the circumstances on the ground. These are the respondents asked by SWS. Kung talagang may problema tayo sa pag-aabuso, lalabas sa survey yon.
Inyong napakinggan ang mabubuting balitang hatid ng programang Good News Pilipinas. Muli tayong magsasama-sama sa susunod na edisyon para sa iba pang mga paksa at usaping good vibes lang ang dala. Good News Pilipinas! Dito lang sa Radyo Pilipinas. Headlines ngayon, sports news, magazine, celebrity, entertainment, interviews, music, and more. All in one. All in one. Dadalhin sa inyo ng mas pinaganda, mas komprehensibo, mas malaman. Radyo Pilipinas 2, 918 AM. Philippine Broadcasting Service, 72 years of broadcast heritage.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.
Amigo.